Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone in everywhere. My name is Gesang Catur Pribadi. In this moment, I want to have a discussion to complete my first assignment for my English course. So, next to me is one of my colleagues. His name is Ragesh. He will be the interviewer, and I'll be the girl. So let's start.
Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm fine. What is your name?
My name is Gesang. What is your name?
Ragesh.
Okay, nice to meet you, Ragesh.
Nice to meet you too. Can I ask a question to you?
Of course, please.
So, what do you do for a living?
I'm a technical engineer in this company.
Okay. What is the reason why you choose profession as an engineer?
It is because why you are asking that question?
Because you are a woman. Usually, there should not be a woman mechanical engineer. So, why did you choose a profession as a mechanical engineer as you are a woman?
Okay, I will give you the reason. The reason why is normally a man used to think straightforward, but a woman used to focus on the details. So you can imagine if both of them are working together and both of them are combine those things, so it will make a perfect, right?
Yes.
uh And then, as a woman, they used to think all the possibility to finish the job
Okay.
as a to make a shortcut, like to make it easier in a easier way, and to make it perfect. And next thing is, women used to think about the negative the negative things also. So
Okay.
in that way, she used to think the 100 times
Okay.
to complete the job, to minimize the failure. That is why we need a woman also in this field, in the engineering field.
Okay. How long you have been working here?
I work here total is 5 years.
Okay.
I complete 5 years now.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Before also I worked somewhere as a technical engineer.
Okay. So how about your family? Is it they are supporting or not?
Of course they are supporting, but earlier they are not supporting me because they think the engineer field is only for a man, so it's not suitable for the woman as me.
Mm-hmm.
But in that time I'm trying to make them believe. So I explain them about everything, if I like it, if I comfortable with it, and I want to do it. So with that explanation, finally my family can understand what I want and what I need.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so usually when the girls are in the school, they will think about their vision will be to be a doctor or
Yes.
nurse or cabin crew or if it is in engineering also they want to be a IT engineer. But from where your ambition become a mechanical engineer?
It is started when I was in junior school. When I saw my father repair his motorcycle, his car, and some stuff in our house like a water pump and
Okay.
water heater and such kind of that kind of things. So from there I start love in engineering field.
Okay. So how about your friends and colleagues? If they are also supporting or and helping to you to complete the job and everything?
Yes, of course they do, because when we have a spare time, we used to sitting together, and we used to discuss about something, about our problem, Actually, we are in a we have a different responsibility,
Okay.
but in that time we used to discuss about our problems so that we can give our idea to complete the job, to finish the job, and to make it faster.
Okay.
Of course.
So, do you have any message for the women whoever is watching this show?
Yes, I have. I want to tell the woman out there, if women also have the same capacity with the man,
Okay.
they can do the same also with the man, and there is no reason and excuses for them to not to stop they if they want it. So they have to build that mindset actually. If the woman also can do the same as a man,
Mm-hmm.
so stop making a reason and stop making excuses for that. You have to prove yourself. You have to build yourself. You have to improve yourself. So then only you can grow up. So I want to speak. Let the world know, if the woman also have the same capacity as a man.
So, the last question.
Yes, please.
Did you face any challenges while you are a mechanical engineer?
Of course, there are a lot of challenges. Even though I have 8 years experience, still some challenges are there. But we have a team, so we are working as a team. So as a team, if we have a problem, we used to share it, so that we will find some path to complete it. We will discuss for that to find the solution for that problem.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, thank you. Yes, sir.
You're welcome, Mr. Agus. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.